Surfer SEO. Master your content. Dominate the rankings.
But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
SurferSEO.com is an online platform that provides tools and services to help optimize website content for search engines. It offers various features to assist with search engine optimization (SEO), including 1. Content Editor helps users create content optimized for specific keywords by analyzing top-ranking pages and providing guidelines. 2. SERP Analyzer analyzes search engine results pages (SERPs) to understand the factors contributing to high rankings for particular keywords. 3. Keyword Research provides keyword suggestions and data to help users target the right keywords for their content. 4. Audit Tool analyzes existing web pages to identify SEO issues and suggests improvements. 5. Content Planner helps plan content strategies by identifying topic clusters and relevant content ideas. 6. Backlink Analysis provides insights into backlinks, helping users understand and improve their link-building strategies. SurferSEO is used by digital marketers, content creators, and SEO professionals to enhance their website's visibility and ranking on search engines. Using SurferSEO can provide a variety of benefits for improving your website's search engine optimization (SEO) efforts, including 1. Improved content quality. By using the Content Editor, you can create content that is optimized for specific keywords, which can help increase its relevance and ranking in search results. 2. Data-driven insights. The SERP Analyzer gives detailed insights into the factors that help top-ranking pages succeed, allowing you to understand what works and apply similar strategies to your content. 3. Effective keyword targeting. The Keyword Research tool helps you discover the best keywords to target, ensuring that your content attracts the right audience and improves your chances of ranking higher. 4. Enhanced SEO performance. The Audit tool identifies SEO issues on your existing pages and provides actionable recommendations to fix them, improving your site's overall performance. 5. Strategic content planning. The Content Planner helps you organize and prioritize your content strategy by identifying relevant topics and keywords to cover, ensuring a cohesive and comprehensive approach to content creation. 6. Better backlink management. The Backlink Analysis tool provides insights into your backlink profile, helping you understand the quality and quantity of backlinks and guiding you on how to build a stronger link-building strategy. 7. Increased organic traffic. By implementing the recommendations and insights provided by SurferSEO, you can improve your site's ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs, leading to increased organic traffic. 8. Competitive edge. SurferSEO's tools allow you to analyze and benchmark against competitors, giving you a better understanding of the competitive landscape and how to outperform rival sites. Overall, SurferSEO helps streamline and enhance your SEO efforts, leading to better visibility, higher rankings, and more effective content strategies. To start using SurferSEO, follow these steps. 1. Sign up for an account. Visit the SurferSEO website, https://surferseo.com. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Provide the necessary information to create an account. SurferSEO often offers a free trial period, so you can explore its features before committing to a paid plan. 2. Choose a plan. After the trial period, you'll need to select a subscription plan that fits your needs. SurferSEO offers various pricing plans based on the features and usage levels required. 3. Explore the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the SurferSEO dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different tools and sections available, such as the Content Editor, SERP Analyzer, Keyword Research, and Audit tool. 4. Use the Content Editor. Start by creating a new content project. Enter your target keyword or phrase, and SurferSEO will analyze the top-ranking pages for that keyword. Follow the guidelines and recommendations provided to optimize your content. 5. Analyse SERPs. Use the SERP analyzer to get detailed insights into what makes top-ranking pages successful. Enter a keyword and review the analysis to understand the factors contributing to high rankings. 6. Conduct keyword research. Use the keyword research tool to find relevant keywords for your content. Explore keyword suggestions, search volume, difficulty, and other metrics to choose the best keywords to target. 7. Audit existing pages. Use the audit tool to analyze your existing web pages. Enter the URL of the page you want to audit, and SurferSEO will provide a detailed report with suggestions for improvement. 8. Plan your content strategy. Utilize the Content Planner to organize and prioritize your content creation efforts. Identify topic clusters and related keywords to ensure a comprehensive and cohesive content strategy. 9. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check the performance of your content using SurferSEO's tools. Make adjustments based on the insights and recommendations provided to continually improve your SEO efforts. By following these steps, you can start leveraging SurferSEO to enhance your website's search engine optimization and improve your online visibility. SurferSEO has several advantages compared to similar SEO tools, making it a popular choice among digital marketers and SEO professionals. Here are some key advantages. 1. Data-driven recommendations. SurferSEO provides highly detailed, data-driven recommendations based on real-time analysis of top-ranking pages. This precision helps users create and optimize content more effectively. 2. Comprehensive content optimization. The content editor is particularly robust, offering guidelines on word count, keyword density, headings, images, and more. It ensures that your content is optimized holistically, not just for keywords. 3. SERP Analyzer. SurferSEO's SERP Analyzer allows users to deep dive into search engine results pages, providing insights into over 500 factors influencing rankings. This level of detail is often superior to what similar tools offer. 4. User-friendly interface. The platform has an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced SEO professionals. 5. Content planning and strategy. The Content Planner feature helps users create a strategic roadmap for content creation, identifying topic clusters and relevant content ideas to ensure a cohesive content marketing strategy. 6. Integration capabilities. SurferSEO integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and Jasper, formerly Jarvis, streamlining the content creation and optimization process. 7. Real-time auditing. The audit tool offers real-time analysis and actionable recommendations for existing web pages, helping users quickly identify and rectify SEO issues. 8. Keyword research and suggestions. SurferSEO's keyword research tool provides comprehensive data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and related keywords, helping users target the most effective keywords for their content. 9. On-page SEO optimization. The platform excels in on-page SEO optimization, guiding users on how to structure content, use headings, place keywords, and utilize multimedia effectively to improve rankings. 10. Regular updates and improvements. SurferSEO frequently updates its features and tools, incorporating the latest SEO trends and algorithm changes to keep users ahead of the curve. 11. Community and support. SurferSEO has a supportive community and offers excellent customer support, including tutorials, webinars.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.